being weird. I don't even know. I think it works. It should be streaming to YouTube. I don't know if it was being a little bit weird before. I'm looking at the studio's website and it looks like you have a second one in development from what I see. You have a pretty good team and the games look fun to try out. Thanks. Yes, we're gonna finish Sophia. There's so much to do, but I want to go back to Foxglove, which is the next game I have planned. I just have a lot of ideas, but the execution, don't know if that's completely there. I think the biggest thing I struggle with is like level design. That's probably the hardest. Because I can envision kind of like the game in general. The characters, the world. The possible, you know, genre and gameplay, but when it comes to actually like level design, scenarios, and progression, that stuff is kind of rough. A good route could have been Mother Nature is going crazy, something is wrong, the plants are coming to life. And put one of the death plants there. Oh. Yeah, I mean, that could work. Lock in. Oh yeah. My bad, my bad. We're gonna lock in. There's too many questions. But yeah, the spikes, I'm telling you, it was supposed to be something else, but it just turned out to be like this. But, you know, we can still iterate on it. Okay. Level 8. And okay, we're locking in. Oh, I need to bring some spikes back. Speaking of spikes. I swear I put them on here, didn't I? It's better for me to lock in so that my throat doesn't get more sore. Pandar, hello. How's it going? What the hey? They're kind of off the... Hmm. the heck? What happened in this level? How's it going, guys? I swear this path... What happened? Kind of weird. There was a path in this section, but it led to nothing. Oh, okay. I particularly appreciate the artistic direction that has been chosen. Simple and effective. Thanks. That's, you know, our artist Laura's decision making, which is great. But a big inspiration for me was Carto, if you've heard of that game. So we did reference a lot of stuff from there. Honestly, I don't know how... Old version, thank you. Yeah, I think I do have copies. Okay, perfect. I think I do have copies in my Milanote or something. So it's all good. I wasn't sure. I'm just paranoid, like, that the merge has self-destructed some levels. And we gotta add the relic and the golden feathers back. I'll start it a bit. Yeah, I'm just writing it down. Don't worry. I don't know. Yeah, clarification. All good. It's more like add to the save data. That's all. And that they got the level achievement. That's pretty much it. Oh, gosh. How do you have such a colorful hierarchy? I have this extension called V hierarchy. I think it's from the asset store, I believe. There's also a free version that does something similar on GitHub. So I kind of forgot what that one's called though. This... yeah. Maybe this one, and then the V hierarchy as well. Viva Flora, hey! Welcome, welcome. Thank you for the follow. And I didn't see that, Eisen, you use hydrate. Drinking my tea. I am staying hydrated. The only thing I need to figure out is really to, well, with Laura, is like how to make the path look natural, like still on the ground. I think we need like some more shadow work and stuff like that, lighting. How to make it look natural but magical, the path. Which it does look like, I feel like here it looks nice, maybe with the twinkle. And then we gotta replace these little guys. But it's still such a contrast from the grass, right? Love the channel. Thanks! This game style is lovely. Thank you, thank you. We're going... What I've always wanted to do, personally, is make games with hand-drawn art style. It's a lot of hard work. But, for now, I have my artist Laura, who is very, very talented in that department. And we've been doing the same for the potential next game. Hand-drawn textures on 3D models. So it's been very interesting. Are you worried people won't see the path? No, it's not that. I'm worried about... It's, I don't know, there's something about it, like maybe the contrast is too sharp between the grass and the path. I think it looks fine though. I'm just a picky person. I'm too sleepy. Is it time for a nap? Phase in, what's up? Almost missed you there. But your yellow username stands out. Maybe it needs another auto-tiled thing to go under it that is a larger blend tile. Yeah, something like that. Something like... kind of transitioning. How goes your YouTube video? Faison's gonna be a YouTuber soon. If you cannot see the path, it may be because you are meant to create it. Deep. That is deep. I mean, honestly, with all the sound effects and stuff, it does bring a large portion of the polish together. Okay. Man, I'm all over the place. We gotta finish level 8. The voiceover is the most difficult part so far. It is. Like, writing the script is hard, and then the voiceover... Don't overthink it, though. Like, as long as you can, you know, say all the words properly, just record yourself, take out any dead space, take out any ums, keep it, you know, nice and tight, and you'll be good. Polymetron, hey! Welcome, welcome. Just saying hey and paying taxes. Very nice, very nice. How'd you get your Unity black like that? Rail, hey! It's a theme. Little theme. What did I download though? I'm trying to remember. I just have all sorts of knickknacks on here, don't I? What was it? I don't even remember. Oh, editor themes? It's a free plugin. Check that out. Or is it dark mode? I don't know. One of those two. Illegal dark Unity. Yeah. Ooh, it's the best song. I think I need to move it a little bit. Regular Unity has dark mode now. Yeah, I think I was using it, but I made it even darker. I think. Because it was more like a gray. Dark gray. So I tweaked some colors, I think. Honestly, I have short-term memory, so who knows? See? Like, cut off paths like this, I'm trying to avoid that. Which makes it a little bit difficult to build. I need to figure out some kind of standard for that though. Guess that looks fine. Horse Robin, hey! Thank you for the follow. I didn't even connect YouTube. Sorry if I'm neglecting anyone over there. Sign in. Cool. Stamp Crab, hey. I'm so sorry, guys. Hello, hello. Everyone has short-term memory, just like long-term memory. Poop Maker, hey. Every time I join, the game looks a little more polished. It's nice to see. Thank you. Cause I can never tell. Like, I've just been so deep in it. Like, I don't even know what's going on. I know the art is lovely, cause I'm allowed to have an objective opinion on that. But like the game in general, just like what? Do-do-do-do-do. How do you wake up more if you've already had lots of sleep and caffeine? Oop. I don't know, maybe a cold shower? That should wake you right up. Absolute torture. So, how do we make this a little more difficult? I like how I only have one level on my to-do list. Like, what am I supposed to be doing right now? I could work on Medusa stuff, but I don't really want to. That's a little more interesting. I guess I just need to try to play all the levels from 1 to 12 fully, and then just write down like everything that needs to be polished. 1 to 12 with cutscenes. That's probably my goal, like our next kind of milestone again. And a lot of the stuff is back now. So. Hey yo, Seth, what's up? IPO, hey! This is the most decked out Unity editor I've ever seen. Really? I mean, maybe. That's funny. Welcome, welcome. Working, so just lurking today. All good. Okay, let's... I literally need a Pomodoro right now. Just so I can figure out what I actually need to do. So we'll spend another 25 minutes on that. And then maybe put a prefab in every level for the new level achievements. She's floundering. And then I also need to figure out like how she carries items around or puts in her backpack. Or, you know, the snippers used to be on her back, the berries were in her hands in front. So we must figure that ish out. Did I put a relic in here? Possibly. Well, I mean, at least I got from these cutscenes to the new versions. So I'm kind of happy about that. It's like a full-on script. What? Oh yeah, that was path 10. Nice. Yeah, see, I think we need to do a little bit more with like lighting and stuff like that. It doesn't look great here, but just a little more to get rid of the flatness. Love the passion, structure, and creativity. Thank you. The real goal is just, you know, get this game released. It's been a mission. And courage. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Here's hoping it'll be worth it. So yeah, that'll be our milestone. And yeah, we're almost there. Seriously, I do hope 12 levels is enough for a solid demo. It will, no doubt about it. You will shape the imagination of many kids around the globe. Thank you. Honestly, that's all I want to do. Like, just give people a good experience. Maybe some heartfelt moments. You know. That kind of stuff is necessary. And tell a good story, right? What happened to my cam? So tricky, this camera work. Emrys, hello. Cool, cool, cool. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I kind of know what I need to improve. Hello, Nat. Welcome. Got a full house today, guys. Okay, now we're gonna try to improve the gameplay in level 8, and then we can wrap it up. Did I even start that, Pomo? Start it. 25 more minutes and we should be good. Oh yeah, that's why I opened Millinote. Just to see if there's a relic. 1, 2. Yeah, relic 2 is in path 8. So I gotta put it somewhere. Possibly... Rabbiteer! Hey! What's up, what's up? Where should I put this relic? Justin Swan's son. Hey! Thanks for the follow. And it's Keep. Thank you, thank you. Okay, relic, where should we put you? You were supposed to be over here somewhere, but it's a little bit tight. So maybe... maybe here. So we're gonna stick to treasure chests, even though it's kind of basic. I think that's the most satisfying way to show that, you know, there's a collectible here. So... yeah, we'll do that. Very temporary, of course. Back in a bit. Sounds good. Yeah, go do a cold plunge. Go jump into a lake. That will wake you up. Every time I refollow, that's my introduction. Oh, I see. Right. I almost forgot about your username. Welcome. I thought it would be quick to swap my keyboard switches. Oh. What, got some funky keys now? I really want to get these like cute keyboard caps. Outside the voice actor, you forgot about me? Oh, it's been a while. I haven't seen you. But now I remember. Don't worry. Get them cute caps. That's right. Cool. Honestly, it is looking pretty good. I just gotta make this part a little bit more difficult. And What is going on over there? No. You crazies. Oh, didn't I delete that one? Get my Google Sheet working again. It's doing something weird. Pull. Serious? Thank you. Mushy Games. Hello. How's it going? Am Designer 83. Hello. How's it going on your project? Pretty good. Lots to do. Seems to be the case. Cool. And pull. Alright, done locking in. Heck yeah. Time to lock out. I need an artist. Unfortunately, I'm not an artist, and it is pretty hard to find them, but join communities. There's a lot of them out there. I'll tell you that. There's a lot of interesting, talented artists out there. Doo-doo. Feather. Welcome back, Axel. Bless you, thank you, thank you. I just have a... It was actually a cough because my throat is being really weird. And the more I talk, the more sore it gets. I gotta reword this so that it's more whimsical. But you get the gist of it. I don't think the owl's gonna be here either. Maybe like peeking. Foreshadowing. Nice outfit, by the way. Are you talking to me? Just my regular schmegular sweater. Thank you, though. Make sure to turn off the editor only layer. Oh, yeah, that's right. To get rid of the dialogue icon and stuff, right? Is it here? Or on the virtual cameras? What was that? Thank you, thank you. No, it's all good. On main camera, right? Just rendering layers. Not me forgetting where everything happens. Culling mask? Oh, there it is. Get rid of editor only? Perfecto. Thank you. Yeah, I'll go through and change that stuff. I am messing with some of the other levels, by the way. So. Except level 6, because you said you're working on that. I don't think I'm touching the first couple levels either. 1 to 5 or 1 to 6. All right. I'm probably running out of time to... Oh, 10 minutes? Okay. We gotta finish this level. Ideally, 2, 6, 9 don't touch. Oh. 9. Yeah, I'll make sure to discard some of these. It's just Unity wants to change, or thinks there's a change even though you don't touch anything half the time, which is annoying. Mostly working on 6. Cool. I mean, in number 9, I was just changing like some of the font stuff that was being weird. But it's not important anyways. This is too easy to get to. Twists and turns. Can you clarify, Tappy? What's going on? Well, oh, restart needs to... Okay. All is well. the running away emote. So funny. Wait, Tappy, you're using Godot, right? Or is it Unity? No, I can't put it there. Someone said, Godot, Oathr. Hello. I've done Unity for a couple of years, but now using Godot. I see. Okay, cool. Good stuff. Too stinking easy. Okay, that makes sense. Imagine using Unity. More like Godot. Am I right? That's a good one. Code with. Cool. I think Unity is fine if you want to ship a game. Really? What do you think's holding you back from not doing that on Godot? What? Go ahead one. I was using Unity as a placeholder for any ready-made engine. I'm gonna ship my game before Manisha though. Ah. Okay, finally, this level looks way more lively. And a tinge more difficult, which is great. And I think we're approaching our deadline. 7 seconds. It's like when you stop the microwave, when there's 2 seconds left. I might need a refill on my tea. It doesn't always need to be like that. Maybe we'll do that. Cool. Okay, I think I like this. What? Samuel! Oh my gosh. Thank you for the donation. It's awesome. What an entrance. Hello, hello. Thank you so much. That is a very generous donation. Not too much going on over here, doing some level design. But keeping busy. Yay! Oh my gosh. Seriously. What a successful first charity, like, streaming event. Appreciate it. Okay, I do like this because if they go get the treasure chest in this order, they can't really come back without doing a full loop. So there's like a more optimal way to do the path. So let's hope that that works out. They made it odd. Odd numbers are the best numbers. Too funny. Alright, I think I'm happy with this level. Obviously, it needs to be play tested and whatnot. I'm still tired. Got wet for nothing. No! Oh my gosh. You're chronically tired. Oh, that used to be my sister. Just always sleepy. Low on potassium. Slept like 11 hours last night. Gee. What is going on? Yeah, maybe you need a checkup at the doctor's. See what's going on. Because my sister gets very sleepy because she has a thyroid issue. So take care of your health, people. Oh, yeah. Oh, the pain. Freedom. No doctors, more guns. Oh my god. Ain't that the truth? How do you fix that? Oh, the thyroid? It's kind of a lost cause. She's just taking pills. Daily pills. But apparently you can fix it with a different diet. But you know, it takes a lot of work. Alright, I think I can check off. Level 8. Food is way too good, better off to be sleepy. Yeah, the trade-off is, it's worth it. Yeah, she was just taking pills. It kind of just makes up for, you know, the lack or excess of the hormone, because thyroid is a hormone, I believe. So, it just makes up for whatever your body is lacking. Okay, Dunzo, level 8. Be gone. And I gotta change this drop down to pull from our new folder, probably. It's been 6 years since I went to the doctor? Are you serious? That's not good. I believe she's hyper. Right? Hold on. Actually, no, she might be hypo. She might be hypo. Yeah, I might be oversharing. Keeping track of this account. Hello. Sounds like hypo. I think it is hypo. Except, like, a symptom of hypo is that you're supposed to, you know, I think gain weight. Which is not really a thing for her. She's a skinny stick. I deal with hypothyroid stuff, or I think I do. 125.6. Yeah. I mean, yeah, the biggest symptoms are like sleepiness, being lethargic, some of the weight gain or loss stuff. What else was there? Yeah, stuff like that. But my dad has it, so it's kind of genetic in that way. Okay, what did I say we were gonna do? I think level 12. Ah, Medusa, thank you for the gift sub. Appreciate that. I have all those symptoms, no medical problems, just turning into an old man. No! Oh. Yeah. Health. It's always a wild roller coaster. This is not my level. Take care of yourselves, you guys. It is the most important thing you have right now. What is it? What is it that they say? What? You have like 100 problems until you have a health issue, and then you only have one problem. So, take care. Can I have a 3-month sabbatical to sleep? Yeah. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. Okay, do I put this in all the levels or what? This little... How do you feel about this UI, Axel? You think it matches? And it's small enough? And I don't know if it should show up like when you finish a level and just go boop, boop, boop. Deaf, don't put them in some of the levels. Wait, what did I say again? I think it's decent. Not sure if that's the direction I would have gone with, but seems solid. Any ideas off the top of your head? Because this is just my mock-up, so before I kind of lock it in, I would like to know if anybody has other ideas. Because previously it was like a little tab here and a level complete screen. But now it will kind of just go it'll probably just be colored in when you get it. So black and white until you don't. Kind of. Are you asking about transitions? I'm asking about this specific like UI. Does it seem to tell you the information you need? They are level achievements. So every level will kind of have, you know, up to 3. I can show you what it was previously, and it was a little too intrusive for our tastes. Where are you? Kind of like this whole thing, which wasn't bad, but like half the time people don't remember that there's a tab option. And then I completely removed this level based. This seems too like, what is it, hyper casual. after every level, telling you what level achievements you got. So I tried to make it a little more minimal. Hype train, yay. However, I would do at least a darkening. Yeah. So these will probably be black and white, and then maybe some kind of hover effect. And yeah, it's completely a mock-up, so maybe not even these colors. Question that I forget, can you view the relics and stuff without going to the overworld? No, you cannot. I made it so that I don't want to bring that menu stuff into here, but you can go to the overworld via the pause menu. I think that's ample. Because overworld will have everything everything you need there. So like here, here, and here, which I don't have set up, but it'll be this. And I don't want to put that in game, so that's fine. Hyperthyroid club in the house? No. Seems to be common, huh? I thought it was genetic because my sister had it and my dad had it, so I definitely got mine checked. I didn't want to go on without checking that. Okay. So yeah, the answer is no to that, Axel. Gotta go to the overworld. So I'm just keeping it in that scene. What's seeds for? What you talking about, Rabbiteer? How do you make sure you stay in your color palette? Is that a question for me too? Well, it's mostly Laura kind of matching everything together. But whenever I do have the freedom to choose, I kind of just... Yeah, I have no advice there. I just do what looks decent. Not sure if Laura's working a predefined palette. Maybe per world? Per environment, at least? But we didn't... Maybe that's something we should have done. Kind of like concept every world ahead of time. That would have been good for overall vision. So, you know, I'm gonna do a post-mortem after this game and write down the billion things that I learned. Medusa, thank you. So kind of you. Thank you for the gift sub. I would like to restate, I probably have no thyroid issues. Hey. When you can go get it checked, you should. If you haven't been to the doctor in 6 years, that's just sad. Come on, America. Autobiography titled 6 months over 3 years. Ouch. No. Man, time is kind of flying. My boss doesn't pay me enough to go to the doctor. No. Time flies because you spend so much time doing fun stuff instead of working. Hey, I'm just enjoying life. But yes, I should put in more hours to this. Oh, I started this. Well, I can't show you guys exactly. It's kind of my journal. But I don't even know if you guys want to hear about my regular life stuff. But I have this journal. And it's called habit tracking. So this notepad is like grid based. And then if you want to, get better, we don't, but we're forced to. If you want to improve like your routines and your habits, you basically use one like column to write down every habit per day. So like, sorry, every habit. This is per month. So then you would write like do a little bit of reading, work out, make bed. These are some of the things I have. And so it kind of gamifies it because in each grid you can exit off after you finish you complete the day, right? So then there's a point tracker here, and you'll put in a point and you'll make like a line graph over the days because every row is like a day. And there's a little section for like how happy do you feel? Like what's your mood for today? So yeah, it's just like a line graph, and you want to. So I have 10 habits here, and you want to reach 10 per day. So it's kind of like gamifying your life a little. How long have you been tracking like this? I'm pretty new to it. Like I've been kind of trying to do it, but this month I actually got the journal and I'm actually starting with it. I was inspired by one of the accounts on Instagram that I follow. So I'm going to see if I can follow through. I just thought it was kind of neat. And maybe it's appealing to someone else. And every day on the other side, it kind of lines up with your daily stuff, but you'll write down one memorable moment from the day. So kind of like a gratitude thing as well. And just, not going into autopilot mode or zombie mode, which is, it happens. Making the bed, anything but that. Yeah, I kind of forget half the time. Is Manisha endorsing a productivity tool? It's not really a productivity tool. It's more like, I don't know. Yeah, I guess it is. It's just me trying to do enough in my day because sometimes it's hard. I thought I only had 6 emotions. But okay, that aside, I thought it was just cool to share that. But I do hope we can get Sophia out very soon. But now that like I'm thinking about Sophia and like how long it took, I'm starting to wonder if, Foxglove is too huge of an undertaking. I can't abandon him though. I procrastinate until I get overwhelmed with anxiety and stuff happens. Yeah. So I'll let you guys know by next month how that's going for me. I just thought it was neat. Say what? I'm starting to wonder if Foxglove is cliffhanger. Okay, blah 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 blah. There's just like so much to do, but at the same time, I know what I have to do. That's just craziness. Okay, level 8, donezo. So I'm pretty much happy with all my demo levels. So we're just in polishing. We're in the polishing phase. Sounds good to me. I'm gonna discard my changes on level 9. Wait, have you started working on level 9, Axel? Or can I just push whatever I did? I think it was just like a font change. It's nothing serious. Okay. Level 8 fixed. And a few tweaks to the other levels. Wonderful. Okay. Oop. That's right. I know what I have to do. That's right. It's like I'm in a weird phase. This is all the stuff. I mean, okay. Yeah, just a lot of polishing coming up. So I'll probably just reevaluate after the dialogue stuff is done. And I'm going to try to play from level 1 from main menu to end of demo. But I'm kind of tweaking the ending of the demo as well. But we need to get all the relics and stuff in too. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna end the stream here because... yeah. Well, yeah. I'm just gonna put this UI into... I'm just gonna finalize this UI and send Laura some actual mock-ups. I know what I have to do. Favorite quote today. Too many one-liners. No deadlines, no finished. We have a demo deadline. We do. Ending the stream for no reason. Stopping work for no reason. I don't know. I feel like I have nothing interesting to show on stream anyways. Happy stream. Do it. Already streamed today? Oh. Works for 2 hours, exhausted. No, I'm gonna do more work. I have other uninteresting work to do. And I have a little bit of a sore throat at the moment, so... Alright, well... I'm in a weird phase, Blueprint, I'm telling you. I'm gonna go through everything and write down all the polish stuff that we need to do. Because... yeah, I just don't have anything interesting. Pulled that sick card. No, it's just more like I can't talk any longer. I'll share my screen working on Sophia and you just commentate. But I will be on Discord. I'm going to do some more work. I feel like I've been decently productive, like yesterday and the day before, like getting all the cutscene stuff done. So, yeah, don't worry, it's moving forward, regardless of what Blueprint says. Just polishing stuff and Oh, there was a couple timeline stuff that I figured out as well. So milestones and such. Let's hope for the best. I gave Laura a little priority list, so I'm gonna write out some more details for that. Okay, but Axel, I don't know if you have an opinion. Overworld in the demo or no? I feel like I could do either, but it's more work to get the overworld like nice and polished too. Or should we keep that kind of hidden? You know, maybe tease it a little, but for the demo. Otherwise, if I run out of stuff to do, I'm just gonna work on Medusa levels, I think. But I just want to get my demo done. Okay. I have a lot of opinions, but I think you should make the decisions. Yeah, I know. It's true. It's too much. It's too much pressure. I'm gonna say no overworld in the demo. It's more realistic. Okay. Yeah, okay, exciting stuff. And maybe I'll punch in a playtest very soon. And I will back that opinion as if I didn't vehemently disagree with it. All right. Okay, well. Okay, sounds good. I shall see some of you guys on the Discord. I'm gonna do more work. Okay. Bye-bye. See you tomorrows. Bye-bye.
Oh no, not again. This is the second time today that I'm like doing the redeems and then people coming into raid. Hey Manisha, what's up? Yo M, what's up? What's up here? Hello.